Hello, good morning all. This is Renu. I'm going to show AutoWriter MOM Minutes of Meeting that is based on neural network and deep learning. As an IT industry member, we all know minutes of meeting play a very crucial role in our project management. For it is very important for our client, managers and team members because it captures all your action items, but it required one member who continuously listen and write. But here we have one innovation that will do magic for you. So forget about writing and taking notes. So let's have one demo. So I have Reena and Rahul with me. Those are already registered in our AutoWriter Minutes of Meeting tool and they will have one meeting. Please start meeting.
Hello Rahul. Today we need to discuss the employee enrollment wizard and we need to redesign this. So please, whatever ideas you have, tell me.
From last year experience, what I suggest this time, which we don't need to do, is to segregate all the different plans in different tab. I want medical, dental and vision plans to come in different tabs.
Yes, we need to keep it same as we have last year and we need to redesign a single page.
So we have seen meeting is over and now processing is started. Whatever they have said is already recorded and soon minutes of meeting will be generated. So here we have saved your time, efforts and increased productivity.
So our tool basically in background processing, it is doing all the processes, and now whatever we have discussed in the meeting, that all soon will be generated here in screen in our specific template. So because this is the most important part of our tool, that's why it is some time taken. So that's why it's taking time.
Yes, and the best part of this tool is it generates the transcript or the minutes of meeting in the format which is actually in the format which we actually needed. So it is the format which will be very easy to understand by every participant.
So here you can see minutes of meeting are generated. Whatever is discussed is here. So now we will discuss our technology and approaches. Over to Kritika. Please come.
Thank you, Renu. Technologies and approaches which we have used in our AutoWrite tool is Python, TensorFlow and neural network. So let's discuss about deep learning. Deep learning algorithm is based on the function and structure of our brain neuron, due to which it is also known as artificial neural network. So deep learning is of two types: simple neural network and deep learning neural network. In simple neural network, let's understand this with an example. Suppose if a person is asking you for a movie recommendation. So according to you all, what should be the factors which we should consider before recommending a movie?
Yes.
Time.
Age?
Yeah, fair enough. Thank you. So yes, so the key points which we have discussed will be given in the input layer. Then here you can see a connection between the layers. So each connection carries some weight. So in the hidden layer, the hidden layer will perform compilation and through the step activation function, a node will be activated and that will be given in the output. So here we can see in simple neural network only one hidden layer is present, but in deep learning neural network multiple hidden layers are present, due to which the accuracy will be far more better than simple neural network, and we have used the same algorithm in our tool. So let's see the implementation. Over to Rahul.
Thank you, Pratika. So we will first start how our tool identifies the speaker, and that is fully done by the Gaussian mixture model. This Gaussian mixture model uses Mel frequency spectrum coefficients feature. Mel frequency spectrum coefficients is a feature that we extract from voice. Technology giants like Amazon, Google and Apple are using speech to text and voice recognition in various search engines and many more things. So far we have understood how to generate the minute of meeting required to identify the speaker and what they said. Now let's see how we identified the auto-write MOM? If not, let me tell you. Have you ever thought how our brain identifies the different voices those come to you? Because whenever Kratika is speaking, I am able to recognize this is Kratika's voice. So we don't have think on that. So let's discuss this thing. What our brain do? Our brain will do uses the pitch or tone. It uses the MEL frequency septal coefficient to convert speech into text. So here the automatic speech recognition and generates speech into text, while speaker diarization, that is the SD, does the different role. So these two are the main component. First one is ASR, which is automatic speech recognition, and second is the SD, which says the speaker diarization. So on the basis, as the example is given here, our tool automatically detect which is the voice of doctor and which is the voice of patient. So if doctor is saying taking any pills, yeah, ibuprofen, so all these different lines will easily show. The blue line is for the doctor and the red line is for the patient, and after it we will do the reconciliation. Okay, so this manner our tool recognize which is the voice of doctor and which is the voice of patient, and it put all the things it had written, it had taken the notes and it had written over there. Now what are the benefits of our tool? It saves hell lot of times and effort of team members. It recognizes each team member's voice. It records and generates the document for the discuss point. It helps to generate the minutes of meeting to complete details by converting speech to text. And the main difference which our tool possesses than that of the other tools present in the market, that it specifically recognizes the voice. Say if Rahul's voice is registered, so whenever Rahul is speaking, it automatically recognizes that Rahul is speaking. If Kratika's voice is registered and Kratika is speaking next time, it will automatically recognize Kratika is speaking. So that is the USP of our tool, and how we are how our innovative idea is making difference from the other tools those are present in the market. That's why this auto-write minutes of meeting tool is going to be a superb idea and an innovative approach which will save a lot of productivity, which will save a lot of resources, which will save a lot of time, and it will increase the productivity and efficiency which team is going to deliver. That's why this unique idea, so I am going to repeat the words which Renu said. We are going to have a magic. So this idea is going to be magic, and it is going to impact a deep impact on all the IT industry or whatever in the transcription, because in various cases doctor said a hell lot of things, but those are not scripted. So whenever some good doctor is saying something or delivering a speech, then our tool is going to capture all those things very efficiently. The only things which our tool want is the silence and the only single voice coming. In that manner, even there are the multiple voices, then our tool will automatically recognize them and do its work. Thank you.